So this is Jupyter Lab. Everyone's familiar with it. I'm just going to run some code to do a time series plot. Nothing fancy. If you notice, this is using a default environment, which has some packages already installed. But when I go to the next notebook, let's say I want to try a new software. I want to try Polars, which is a really cool data frame library that's been really popular recently. And I am going to take this code and try and run it. And we get an error because we haven't installed this. And this becomes one of the core issues in cloud platforms is how do you manage the software that's available? And what we have done, instead of the normal approach, which is go create a Docker image and work out how to get that Docker image deployed in your platform, we've developed a software environment management system. And here I have a personal namespace where, I have some existing environments, like I have a machine learning environment that has, scikit-learn and pandas, but I'm going to create a new environment. And I'm going to call it try Polars. And here I'm going to say environment to test out Polars. And I'm going to add some packages. I'm going to add Polars. And let's add a plotting library as well. So I'm going to add HVPlot so I can do some plotting. And I'm also going to choose which channel this library comes from. And I'm going to hit create. And this will take a few seconds, and it will start downloading these packages and creating an environment for this. And while this is going on, I want to point out a few other things. One is an extra package has been added on the back end. An ipykernel is a package that Jupyter needs to actually function. And so we know that, and we've put some rules in the back end to kind of control what's installed. And so our environment management system lets an administrator add some controls to how packages are created. Okay, let's go back and check on the Polars plot we were trying to do earlier and see if this environment is available now. So let me look here. Yep, the environment is available. So now I'm using this new environment I created, and let's see if this runs. Yes, and it did this little example and showed me the data from the example. So again, environment management becomes central to a platform. And in Nebari, we have a fairly comprehensive system that underlies all the different applications that are used inside the platform. I hope you really enjoyed this quick overview of Nebari and some of the major features and things you can do with the platform. You can visit the website, nebari.dev. Thank you.